Now this is incredible. I have a jug of hot water and I have a jug of cold water, and I want you to close your eyes and listen to the sound the waters make when they're poured, okay? So close your eyes and let's see if you can guess which is the first water. That was water number one. Can you hear the difference between the hot water and the cold water? The hot water sounds smoother. Let's do it again. It's a smoother sound. Maybe I'm imagining it, but I don't think I am. Can you hear that? Or have I gone mad? Let's do it again. Hot water. Smooth. Cold water. Just sounds noisier. But tell me what you think. I think that's incredible. Thanks, Tom. My assistant. Behind the scenes.